Good day everyone. Our devotion for today is from the book of Leviticus chapter 3 verse 1 to 3. The fellowship offering. If someone's offering is a fellowship offering and he offers an animal from the herd, whether male or female, he is to present before the Lord an animal without defect. He is to lay his hand on the head of his offering and slaughter it at the entrance to the tent of meeting. Then Aaron's sons the priests shall sprinkle the blood against the altar on all sides. From the fellowship offering he is to bring a sacrifice made to the Lord by fire, all that fat that covers the inner parts or it's connected to them. Amen.
Good evening everyone. My devotion for today is from Leviticus chapter 3 verse 4 to 7. Both kidneys with the fat on them near the loins, and the long lobe of the liver, which you will remove with the kidneys. Then Aaron's sons are to burn it on the altar on top of the burnt offering that is lying on the burning wood. It is a food offering, an aroma pleasing to the Lord. If you offer an animal from the flock as a fellowship offering to the Lord, you are to offer a male or female without defect. If you offer a lamb, you are to present it before the Lord. The word of the God. Amen.
A blessed day to everyone, and our devotion for today is found in the book of Leviticus, the third book of the Old Testament, chapter 3, verses 8 to 11. And it says, "Lay his hand on the head of his offering and kill it in front of the tent of meeting. And Aaron's son shall throw its blood against the sides of the altar. Then, from the sacrifice of the peace offering, he shall offer as a food offering to the Lord its fat. He shall remove the whole fat tail, cut off close to the backbone, and the fat that covers the entrails, and all the fat that is on the entrails, and the 2 kidneys with the fat that is on them at the loins, and the long lobe of the liver that he shall remove with the kidneys. And the priest shall burn it on the altar as a food offering to the Lord." This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Leviticus, chapter 3, Laws for Peace Offerings. I'll be reading from verse 12 to 14, and here is the scriptures. "If his offering is a goat, then he shall offer it before the Lord and lay his hands on its head and kill it in front of the tent of meeting. And the sons of Aaron shall throw its blood against the sides of the altar. Then he shall offer from it as his offering for a food offering to the Lord, the fat covering the entrails and all the fat that is on the entrails." Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Leviticus, chapter 3, verses 15 to 17. And it says, "Both kidneys with the fat on them near the loins, and the covering of the liver, which he will remove with the kidneys. The priest shall burn them on the altar as food, an offering made by fire, a pleasing aroma. All the fat is the Lord's. This is a lasting ordinance for the generations to come. Wherever you live, you must not eat any fat or any blood." This is the word of the Lord. Amen.